The world of technology is no stranger to disruption. In the realm of artificial intelligence, a new player has emerged, sending ripples across the industry. Deepseek, a Chinese AI firm founded in May 2023, has rapidly become a force to be reckoned with. Founded by Liang Wenfeng, a seasoned figure in quantitative finance, the company had a clear vision to democratize access to cutting-edge AI. Wenfeng steered Deepseek towards rapid innovation and strategic partnerships. The company operates under High Flyer, a quantitative hedge fund co-founded by Wenfeng. This connection provided Deepseek with financial stability and a deep understanding of data-driven decision-making. From the outset, Deepseek focused on open-source models and cost-effectiveness. In December 2023, Deepseek launched its first major offering, an open-source, low-cost AI model. This move challenged the dominance of established players who had long relied on proprietary models. The launch of Deepseek's R1 model in January 2025 marked a pivotal moment. This sophisticated AI model, developed at a fraction of the cost of its competitors, showcased Deepseek's ability to deliver high performance at an unprecedented price point. The R1 model's arrival triggered a major sell-off in tech stocks on January 27, 2025. NVIDIA, a leading manufacturer of graphics processing units, suffered a record $600 billion market cap loss. The impact extended beyond NVIDIA, affecting other major players in the semiconductor and technology sectors. The ripple effect reached even tech giants like Microsoft and Alphabet. The market's reaction was a testament to the perceived threat posed by Deepseek's disruptive potential. The sell-off signaled the arrival of a new era of competition driven by innovation and cost-effectiveness. Deepseek's rapid rise to prominence can be attributed to its relentless focus on technological advancements. The company has assembled a team of brilliant engineers and researchers pushing the boundaries of AI capabilities. Their models boast superior performance in natural language processing, image recognition, and predictive analytics. Deepseek leverages cutting-edge techniques, including reinforcement learning, reward engineering, and emergent behavior networks. These methods enable Deepseek to train their models on massive datasets with remarkable efficiency. Deepseek V3 excels in natural language processing, while Deepseek R1 focuses on predictive analytics. The Janus Pro 7B, Deepseek's flagship vision model, demonstrates their prowess in computer vision. Deepseek's commitment to technological innovation has positioned them at the forefront of the AI revolution. Section 4. Voices from the Tech World. The rise of Deepseek has sparked a wide range of reactions from industry leaders and experts. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella praised Deepseek's efficiency, highlighting their ability to deliver impressive results with significantly lower development costs. Nadella's comments reflect a growing recognition within the industry that Deepseek's approach to AI development could reshape the competitive landscape. However, not everyone is convinced by Deepseek's claims. Bernstein analyst Stacy Raskin expressed skepticism about the company's assertions of developing their R1 model for under $6 million. Giuseppe Sette, an AI researcher, highlighted Deepseek's innovative approach to optimizing AI models for deployment. Sette noted that Deepseek's models are designed to run efficiently on a variety of hardware platforms. The emergence of Deepseek has also raised concerns among policymakers. Representative John Moulinar called for stronger export controls on AI technology, citing Deepseek's rapid progress as a potential threat to U.S. technological leadership. Section 5. Challenging the status quo. Deepseek's disruptive potential extends beyond its technological prowess. The company's low-cost, open-source approach challenges the traditional business models of established tech giants. For years, companies like Google and OpenAI have dominated the AI landscape with their proprietary models. Deepseek's decision to make its models open source disrupts this established order. By making their technology accessible to a wider audience, Deepseek is fostering collaboration and innovation on a global scale. This open approach has the potential to accelerate the pace of AI development. Deepseek's success challenges the notion of U.S. dominance in the field of artificial intelligence. Despite facing restrictions on accessing advanced AI accelerators, Deepseek has managed to develop world-class AI systems. The open-source nature of Deepseek's models encourages collaboration and knowledge sharing. Section 6. Weathering the storms of cybersecurity. Deepseek's meteoric rise has not been without its challenges. On January 27, 2025, the same day that Deepseek's R1 model sent shockwaves through the stock market, the company experienced a suspected distributed denial of service (DDoS) attack. This attack temporarily limited new user registrations, demonstrating the vulnerability of even the most sophisticated tech companies to malicious actors. Deepseek's engineers worked tirelessly to mitigate the attack and restore full service. Just 2 days later, on January 29, 2025, Deepseek faced another cybersecurity challenge. A publicly accessible database containing user data was discovered, potentially exposing sensitive information. These cybersecurity incidents highlight the importance of robust security measures for companies operating in the AI space. Section 7. The future landscape of AI. Deepseek's emergence has undoubtedly shaken up the tech industry, forcing established players to confront a new era of competition and innovation. The company's relentless focus on technological advancements, coupled with its disruptive business model, has positioned it as a major force in the global AI landscape. As Deepseek continues to evolve, its impact on the future of AI is likely to be profound. The company's commitment to open-source development has the potential to democratize access to AI. This could lead to a surge in AI-driven innovation across various sectors. The rise of Deepseek also highlights the growing importance of international collaboration in AI development. Deepseek's open-source approach provides a potential model for such collaboration. However, Deepseek's rise also raises important questions about the future of the AI industry. The industry will need to address challenges related to ethics, bias, and regulation to ensure responsible AI development.